Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a wig review for another wig from ISEE Hair. This is all of the goodies that they sent over in the package. So today is special because we have a half wig. I haven't done a half wig in a very long time. So I'm showing you guys the up close of what the half wig looks like. It's really nicely wefted, like especially at the beginning to help blend. You get a clip in the front, 2 clips on the side, a clip in the back, and you also get like a drawstring that you can pull and an adjustable band. And I like that their adjustable band is branded, but they also sent like a regular black adjustable brand. Oh my god, this word band in the package as well. This is the elastic drawstring, so you can just pull this and it helps your wig to be nice and snug. So I opted out of using the adjustable band and all I used was the clips. So I am going to just clip the hair into my my wig cap. I just put the wig cap on with the back of my braids, and then I have my perimeter out at the front. So all I did was put those clips in, and then I'm going to pin my hair up as you can see, and I'm going to get the drawstring and I'm going to pull that nice and tight and tuck that in, and that's going to help my wig to stay nice and secure. As you can see, it's not going anywhere and it's nice and comfy. This is a half wig, flip over wig. It has a lot of different uses, so you guys will see all the different styles that I use. So look at how it blends with my hair instantly. I haven't even like put no heat to my hair, nothing, y'all. Instantly just blends. This is the Kinky straight hair and it matches my texture really nicely. So I'm just showing you guys that you can flip it one way, you can flip it the other way, you can wear it like all straight back, and it just really just flows and it's very versatile. So I'm just gonna start by flat ironing the hair. I'm trying to get the little crinkles out, and I want it to be like a little straighter, not as puffy. You can definitely wear how it is, like for a more natural look, but I just want it to be a little straighter, and we're gonna do a couple different hairstyles. So I'm gonna first straighten the hair all over. Okay, this is what it looks like when everything is straight. I straightened my leave out as well as the flip over / half wig, and as y'all can see, it's just like a seamless blend. I can flip it any way I want to, and it's just gonna look really nice. So I love that. This is a great flip over wig for beginners because like you don't have to get the sew-in or none of that, and it's pretty much just done for you. Just put it on, leave your hair out the sides, and you can flip it and do whatever. This is what the back looks like. As y'all can see, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Has so much body movement, flow, like it just looks really good. So now we're going to move on to another style. We're going to add some curls to that thing. So I'm starting from the bottom and working my way up to the top on both sides, and I'm just curling the hair towards the back, and I'm just going to do that all over. Okay, now that I'm done curling the hair, I'm just going to do a couple baby hairs. So this is what the hair looks like once it is curled. So I didn't do like super tight curls. I did like effortless curls so that it could just look very relaxed, just to show y'all. And I'm just flipping it over. Y'all can see it look good from the left to the right. Like if I do it in the middle, it just looks really good. Like flip over, just flip it over. Okay, so we're moving on to another style. We're gonna do the half up, half down. So oh, this hair looks really good in the half up, half down. It's just super easy. So I'm just pulling the hair up and then just putting a ponytail on it, and that's basically it. Super duper easy, and it's super cute. So that's what the half up, half down style looks like. And then I'm just going to pull it back in a ponytail just to show you guys what it looks like in a ponytail, you know, whenever you need to throw up your hair, go to the gym or whatever. And now I am showing you guys what it looks like with the headband on, which is super cute, like clean girl aesthetic. This is just so cute. So cute. So yeah, this wig, as you can see, is super versatile. If you like this wig from ISEE Hair, I will definitely have the link and everything down below in the description. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.